Well, it looks like we had just a little bit of wind. I'm gonna have to figure out how to make this a whole lot sturdier. Wow, that actually broke off the PVC piece. And at the slip fitting, another one there. We had some pretty heavy winds, 40+ mile-an-hour gust yesterday and last night, and yeah. And I had, besides all the dirt, I put this stuff on to help weigh it down. Right now it is freaking cold out here, snowing over there to the east. I'm gonna wait till it warms up just a little bit more before I come out here and work on it. Well, have a good Monday morning.